Unboxing, guys.
I need a razor.
It's a canning jar we order online. Just arrived today. Canning jar because we're out of canning jar. So Philip can again. They really sell. Oh, it's so big, Daile.
Oh, there's a quart.
Hala, different ones, square. Oh.
Yeah, there's a quart. That's okay.
Is it the one you order?
No, I ordered 2 things of pints, so who knows where and how, what back order this came out of.
Yeah, because that's so big, really.
I mean, it's fine. It's jars. That's 12 more. Made in the USA.
So that's durable.
Well, yeah, they're ball canning jars. I mean, they've been around for 100 years, honey.
This is very pricey, guys. 1800s plus. How much in $1? 1800.
Oh, I don't know, $30.
$30.
Yeah, they're about $2-3 a piece now. God, that's it. I remember. We used to go to garage scales and buy them for pennies.
Yeah, good size, guys.
Yep.
It's thick, very thick.
Yep.
How many for 12?
Yep.
Very fast order. Unexpected.
Well, no, I don't know where the order is. I didn't order quarts. Not recently. Months ago. If they were on back order.
So it's here now. Bye, guys. We have canning jar again. So we can can beans.
Oh, we can can beans again.
This is the last
Yeah, the last canning that we did.
last canning. So that's an old glass we use.
Oh, these are olive glasses that I'm reusing. They're just about, you see all the rust here, but they still seal. And that's what counts.
Yeah.
That's what counts.
It's really sealed properly.
So now I got
Okay.